Look, Tito in my lap. Like, I don't get a break. I do not get a break. Ever.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away.
I'm back with a synthetic wig that I'm super excited about because it is short hair, and short hair is my absolute fave. And I feel like I hadn't done a short wig in a very long time. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and I can't comb hair. I just enjoy playing in hair, and I enjoy playing in makeup, right? So I don't take it too seriously because those are things that I can wash off or take off at the end of the day, and you know, it not be anything permanent, okay? I picked up a bunch of wigs from Glamour Trish, y'all, with my own coins. I got my receipts here. So yeah, when I say a lot, and it's 2 pages. I picked up all of these because they were on sale and they were affordable. So I said, let me pick them up. This one I'm about to do is by Outre. How much did I pay for this unit? I paid $18. Let me see if I can pull it up here for y'all to see, because one time somebody said that wig they cost down. It kind of blurry, but I paid $18 for Kit, which is such a good price, especially in, you know, today's wig climate where wigs are now, synthetic wigs are $60, y'all. So this 18 felt really good. It's part of Outre's Melted Hairline collection, and I picked it up in the color 1B. Let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at Kit. Just foreshadowing, I'm not sure the order of these are being uploaded, but I also picked up they had all of the Sensationals 90 Bangs units. The ones I hadn't reviewed yet, I picked all of those up because they were all like $25 and less or less. So just be prepared for that. Only thing I can see on this stock card that you want to know is that Kit comes with a glueless pre-attached elastic band. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees, and they are giving us Fanta in this unit in a bunch of colors. On the stock card, we have her in orange sangria and vanilla mocha. And then on the inside, they also show her to us in deep burgundy. Okay, some other colors that she comes in: natural honey, ginger, deep burgundy. Did I say that already? I feel like I did. Deep burgundy and cream soda. So she does come in some other colors, but with a unit like this, I feel like you can't play around too much. So I just got Kit in a 1B. Right out of the pack, Kit looks very natural on my hand. As far as the texture goes, it doesn't have a lot of yak to it, but that is a very pretty texture on this unit. The cap construction, you get that ear-to-ear lace and that curved lace part. They do give us 2 combs in the front as well. And then in the back, we get a comb, adjustable straps, and we get that adjustable glueless band. So nice cap construction. This really shouldn't take very long. I'm going to put Kit on my head. I'll give you a 360 so you can see the back, the size, and all that stuff. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, food and everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. What? I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
Auntie, because that's what I feel like. I feel like Auntie. Y'all know that's my goal every day, to look like Auntie. Okay, I'm in a a bit of a pickle with Kit. Now, do I think Kit is worth it? For $18, heck yes. Kit is definitely worth it. My only thing is, well, she does. I was about to say she doesn't look like the stock card, but actually she does like the stock card. My biggest complaint is, like, I have that glueless band adjusted to my head, and it was so hard to make this lay down. You definitely will have to glue this. It's the way that the put that down. Solo, he's so bad. Where you at? Put it down. Oh, y'all, he's so, look at him. You see his tail? You cannot, in my opinion, this is something, you can't wear it glueless. Like, you're going to have to put some glue because you're going to get lifting on these sides. And so I kept looking back at the stock card and how they have it on Fanta, and it just worked. It didn't matter how much I adjusted it or anything. I couldn't wear this completely glueless because it's gonna lift. I tried adjusting, I tried doing all that. The glueless part, I don't think that this is gonna be glueless. Other than that, y'all, I think this cut is very, very cute. It is a very, very classic look. If you are into short wigs, I do prefer a unit like this. Y'all just acting foolish today. Solo. Tito in my lap. Like, I don't get a break. I do not get a break ever with these three. But this wig is cute. It is worth the $18. Just know that I think you're gonna put a little work in. Also know that my hair, while it is slicked down at the top, my ponytail is in the back, and I still think, I hope I can get this on camera, that it lays pretty flat in the back. So I am happy with that. I think this wig is a 9 out of 10, honestly. If I could figure out how to make that band completely work, it would have been a 10 out of 10. With that price point, it makes me, okay, let's forget it. 10 out of 10. I definitely can recommend this one. Like I said, I got it from Glamortress. I hope it's still on sale and not sold out by the time you watching it, because I know when I do these and like only $18, it sells like that. But I also see if it's available on Amazon or, hey! It was all over the place today. It was, but y'all get me. Like I said, I'll see if it's available on Amazon or somewhere online. I'll be sure to link it because I think you will like Kit if you are a short wig lover, because I think she's cute. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are. The next one I'm gonna review, before I get into those bang units, I also picked up from Glamortress. It's only 26. Hopefully I put the footage there somewhere. I picked up Sensational Lace Unit 56 in that mocha color. So that'll be the next one that you get before we jump into those bang units, y'all. Until next time, which will be very, very soon, let me take these fools out. Bye.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.